It's a warm summer's afternoon in West Yorkshire, and while most have been enjoying the sun, others have been up to no good.
There is a white Audi A3 convertible with the roof down that's been seen on the Leeds-Otley Road, involved in a burglary this morning at Boston Spa.
The Audi has 2 occupants, both suspected of aggravated burglary. Steve needs other units to make a stop on the sporty Audi, but there's a problem.
It'll just be me following it around for as long as I can stay with it.
While Steve waits for backup, it seems the passenger is off to throw up.
My thinking would be has faked sickness, has got out of the vehicle knowing full well we're behind, and has made off. Copters above.